Yana. Go learn from him. Come on, Yana. Come on, Yana. Barney, let's go. Barney. Okay, we are in our driveway. We are right at our driveway. It's time to go inside. And he thinks he's waiting on the cat. The cat is not coming back over here. Barney. 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 Barney, you've got to get up. You've got to go inside. I'm going to leave you out here. I'm going to leave you out here in the driveway. Barney. 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 Okay, I don't want to drag you across concrete, but what choice do I have? Barney. 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 You are defiant. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Barney. Let's go. Barney. I know, Yana. I'm so sorry. I was like, what in the world? I know. I know, Yana. What are we going to do with him? What are we going to do? Come on, Barney. We got to go. Barney, let's go. Right now. Come on. Barney. Barney? There we go. All right, come on. All right, you're up. Don't stop now. We're up. Come on, let's go. Inside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right.